In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Then scroll down to click on Display and Brightness over here. When you finished, scroll all the way down and click on Font Settings. Now you can operate this slider to adjust your font size and check out Preview at the top. When you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!